I don't really care one way or the other. I think what Tayo Cruz and Neon Trees is perfectly fine. So, yay!
I'm okay with the choice, but I wish we just had more say in it. I feel like it was very random and out of nowhere.
I was initially disappointed with the choice for Slope Day, but then I came to the realization that it's just background music for everyone having a good time. So with that, I'm happy.
I think Tayo Cruz is a very good choice. He has a lot of good songs. I mean, I've heard his music at a bunch of frat parties, and I know everyone would love to dance to him.
These are some fun new songs, but I'm wondering why they don't bring old classic rock groups over.
Yeah, I know the song Dynamite and it's fun and it's upbeat, so I guess that'll be good for Slope Day, and everybody's going to be, I'm sure, in the mood to sort of have fun, and so that'll be good.
I've heard that the Slope Day Planning Committee was having trouble finding somebody, so I think it's pretty exciting that they will land such a big name, with such recognizable music. So.
Yeah, I think that Slope Day is going to be an exciting day. I know that I've heard about what Slope Day programming board has gone through with trying to get artists, and I think that in the end they did a great job, and I'm excited for May 4th.